5 years. Well, they took under ventilator now. I had a seizure and a heart attack. I don't know which one caused which, but...
Right. Back to back, huh?
Wonder how much money these sign people made for all this bullshit. I just work here. Doing my job.
Uh-huh.